Method of dimension, we can derive the relation between various physical quantities by method of dimension. We can derive the relation between various physical quantities, but it is the second application of dimension. The time period T of a simple pendulum depends on mass of bob m, length of string L, and acceleration due to gravity G by method of dimension. Derive relation for time period. All the problems of this type will be solved by the same method. Suppose you are given time period T of a simple pendulum, so you will write let T depends, बेटा replace depends by the word proportional to. जहाँ भी depends लिखा है उसके लिए क्या लगा दीजिए बेटा, proportional to. Mass of the bob m power a, length of the string L power b, acceleration due to gravity G power c. T proportional to m power a, L power b, G power c. अगली लाइन बेटा, सेकंड लाइन, T is equal to constant m power a, L power b, G power c. Equation 1. K is proportionality constant. Dear students, K is proportionality constant, and remember that proportionality constant has no dimension. They are writing, next step, writing dimension of both sides. T time T, no dimension for K, M for mass M, L for length L, G acceleration. Dimension of mass M, dimension of length L, dimension of G LT power minus 2. Its power is A, its power is B, its power is C. Or T is equal to M to the power A, L. Boys, here is the power B, here is the power C. In multiplication, powers added. So B plus C. Time T, T to the power minus 2C. So T, M power A, L power B plus C, and T power students minus 2C. After that, compare both sides. A power, because on the left hand side M is not given. M not given, its meaning is that A is equal to 0. L B plus C. L is not given on left hand side, its meaning it's also equal to 0. T power minus 2C, and here power of T is 1. Minus 2C, 1. Or C is equal to minus 1 by 2. And from this equation you can write B minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, or B is equal to what? 1 by 2. So dear students, you have got A is equal to 0, 1 by 2, and C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute value of A, B and C students in equation 1. A, B, C की वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 में लगा दीजिए. So you will have T is equal to K, M power 0, L power half, G power minus half. T is equal to K, anything power 0 is always 1. L power half under root L, G power minus half. Minus की वजह से it will go in the denominator and power is half. So T is equal to K under root L upon G, or you can say T is proportional to L upon G. So this is the formula for the time period of simple pendulum. T is equal to K under root L upon G. Beta, this is the constant. If in question value of constant is given to you, then you will put, otherwise you will leave as it is. कुछ questions में you will find that K is given, K is 1, 2, 3, जो whatever so given, then you will substitute the value, otherwise leave it.